Hey, it's Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Senseonics Holdings. The stock trades on the NYC under symbol SENS. The stock was down just a little over 2% down to 382. However, after hours, the stock did move back up to 392. Now, if you look at this stock, this was actually a pretty minor pullback on a day where a lot of small cap stocks took a pretty hard hit. They went down from 5 to 15%. However, if you look at a lot of these small cap stocks, they were on fire the past 5 days. I mean, just take a look at Senseonics here. It was at 274, then it gapped up here to 318, gapped up again to 353, gapped up again over $4. The fact that it pulled back just slightly is actually a really good sign. And the fact that it moved up after hours is even better. So I do think we may or may not, I'm not really sure yet, but we may see a little more selling on Thursday and Friday on these small cap stocks. But I'm pretty confident that these small caps will continue moving next week. So I would say if you want to get into this stock, definitely use this as a pullback opportunity, because this stock, if you look at it, 1 month ago was trading at 85 cents. Doesn't give you a lot of opportunity for a pullback here. And I definitely think that this is a stock that's going to be moving pretty fast towards $5 a share. And if it could break through $5 a share, it's going to get to $7 a share pretty quickly. So Senseonics is a pretty interesting company. They have the world's only long-term glucose monitoring system. So, if you know anyone who suffers from diabetes, monitoring glucose is very, very important. And this company essentially has a product that no one else has on the market right now. And if you look at the long-term growth of a product like this, a glucose monitoring system, a long-term glucose monitoring system, there's going to be a big audience for this. I mean, you look at diabetes. Diabetes is the result, usually type 2 diabetes, usually the result of a poor diet. And a lot of people, or more and more people, are overweight, not just in the United States, but around the world. So you're going to have more people who are going to have diabetes and more people who are going to need the need for a long-term glucose monitoring system, especially people who are older and really can't take care of themselves. They're going to have, and maybe they don't live in an assisted living facility. They're the type of audience that's going to need a long-term glucose monitoring system. So I definitely think this is a company that has huge upside on the long term. So $1.2 billion company, this could easily be a $15-20 billion company by the end of the decade. And that would be like a 10 to 15 times return, just on demographics and health trends. And the only thing that would really hurt this company is that if someone comes out with a better version of the product that they have essentially innovated, which is kind of unlikely. But if that's the case, then you just own both stocks, because one of them will win. But I definitely like this stock, and I think that you get a nice pullback opportunity, even if you could get one. I mean, after hours, the stock moved up, but I have a feeling we might see a little more selling on these small caps for the rest of the week. So definitely check out Senseonics, trades on the NYC under symbol SENS. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.